The interview that sparked a journey. It was a warm Wednesday afternoon in a quiet town when Ms. Emma, a confident and passionate English trainer, arranged chairs in a small classroom inside the community center. The room wasn't fancy, just a whiteboard, a desk, and a few colorful posters about grammar and common phrases. But it was a place full of hope and learning. Emma was preparing to interview a new applicant for her free English course, designed especially for women who wanted to improve their communication skills. She believed language could change lives, and each student brought a new story. Right on time, the door creaked open, and in walked Mrs. Lily, a woman in her early 40s, wearing a modest outfit and holding a slightly worn notebook. Her eyes were kind but carried a nervous energy. "Welcome, Lily," Emma said warmly. "Please, have a seat." Lily nodded and sat, clutching her notebook like it was a shield. "Thank you. I am happy to be here. But also a little scared," she admitted. Emma gave a soft laugh. "Don't worry, we're not here to judge. This is just a friendly talk to understand your level and how we can help. Tell me a bit about yourself." Lily looked down, thinking. "I am a mother of 3. I never went to college, but I always wanted to speak English. My children now speak better than me, and sometimes I can't help them with homework. It breaks my heart." Emma's expression softened. "That's a powerful reason to learn. And it's never too late." She flipped open her notebook. "Let's start simple. Can you tell me the difference between I eat and I ate?" Lily's eyes lit up. "Yes. I eat is now, and I ate is yesterday." "Perfect," Emma said, truly impressed. "Now, let's do something fun. Can you describe your daily routine?" Lily smiled nervously but tried. "I wake up at 6. I cook breakfast. I make lunch for my husband. Then I clean, and now I read English books. Slowly, but I try." Emma leaned forward, excited. "You already have a strong foundation. You just need confidence and practice." Encouraged, Lily shared how she secretly practiced speaking in front of the mirror, repeating lines from English dramas or reading food recipes out loud. "Sometimes, I pretend I'm giving a speech," she confessed with a giggle. Emma laughed too. That's exactly how great speakers start. By the end of the interview, Emma didn't just see a beginner student, she saw determination, passion, and a woman who had the courage to step beyond her comfort zone. "You're in, Lily," she said with a smile. "And I think, very soon, you'll be helping others too." Lily left the room that day with a glow of hope. What began as a simple interview turned into the first chapter of a new journey, not just to learn grammar, but to find her voice, rebuild her confidence, and become a role model in her community. Because sometimes, the first sentence you speak is the first step to changing your world.